Hi, welcome back to our channel Hard Reset Pro, and today I want to discuss with you how to use Superwhisper while walking. So if you're the person who likes to think while walking, then Superwhisper on your iPhone 17 will make it super easy to capture your thoughts while you walk completely hands-free. So instead of stopping to type, you can turn your steps into productive note-taking time. So here's how it works. Open Superwhisper on your iPhone before you start your walk, and then you have to select the mode that fits what you need. So here in the bottom left you can see 4 default modes. Also you can create new mode if none of them fit your goal. And for example, I want to compose an email while I walk, so I will go to email mode, and I just have to hit record button, which is this red circle button. I have to lock my screen, and as I walk, start speaking naturally, just like as if I would speak to my friend. And Superwhisper will record my voice and transcribe in the background. And the best part about everything is that you don't need to look at your phone because it all happens automatically. So when you're done saying your spoken words, just pull out your iPhone, tap this red button to stop recording. So I will make a small mini recording just to show you how it should look like. So end this recording, and basically your transcript is ready. Let's go to send button here in the bottom right, and from here you can see a couple of options that you can use in order to share your note with someone. So you can use this quick access, so here are my couple of contacts, or also I can use different applications that Superwhisper provides me, or if I don't have here from on the list of applications that I want to use, I can simply copy this text and go straight to application that I need, and then send to specific person. Yes, so this way your walks become more productive with Superwhisper application. But one tip for you is that you want a maximum accuracy of your texts. Try to speak clearly and avoid busy and noisy streets, because of course environment matters. Yes, so whether you're walking between classes, or you're commuting to work, or you just take a break outside, Superwhisper will turn your iPhone 17 into a hands-free note-taking tool. Actually, it's one of the easiest and one of the most productive ways how you can make your walks more effective without ever needing to type. So yeah, that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.